Hey, what's up, squad? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a hot topic that's been lighting up the gaming world, and that's Lenovo's Legion Go. We're about to break down the top 5 reasons why you should consider the Lenovo Legion Go as your next gaming companion. First up, let's talk about the Legion Go's stunning display. It rocks an incredible 8.8 QHD plus screen with a jaw-dropping resolution of 2560 by 1600. That's double the pixel power of the Steam Deck. But the goodness doesn't stop there. With a blazing 144Hz refresh rate, it even surpasses the ROG Ally's 1080p/120Hz display. And the Legion Go doesn't shy away from colors, boasting a wide color gamut coverage of 97% DCI-P3. Plus, it's got 10-point touch input, which is simply icing on the gaming cake. Now, let's peek under the hood. The Legion Go's CPU is a beast based on AMD Phoenix Silicon, fine-tuned for power-efficient gaming. That means it's more power-friendly than your standard Ryzen 7040 laptop chips. You'll have 2 versions to choose from, one with the Ryzen Z1 Extreme and the other with the non-extreme APUs. The former packs a punch with 8 Zen 4 cores and a boost clock of up to 5.1 GHz. Meanwhile, the latter is a 6-core Zen 4 variant with a boost clock of up to 4.9 GHz. The non-extreme version, on the other hand, is based on Phoenix 2, mixing Zen 4 and Zen 4C microarchitectures. One thing you should note is that the GPU power varies between these versions. The Ryzen Z1 Extreme flaunts 12 RDNA 3 compute units at up to 2.7 GHz, while the cheaper variant has only 4 CUs and a 2.5 GHz GPU clock. This might be a tad less for the impressive 1600p screen, but more on that in a bit. When it comes to memory, the Legion Go doesn't disappoint. It offers up to a whopping 16 GB of LPDDR5X 7500 memory, leaving the Ally and Deck in the dust. Memory bandwidth can often be a performance bottleneck for integrated graphics, and the Legion Go ensures that won't be a problem. As for storage, you've got choices. Either 512 GB or 1 TB for the Ryzen Z1 Extreme. The previously mentioned 256 GB version isn't currently available. The platform rocks the M.2 2242 form factor with a PCIe Gen 4 interface. And guess what? You can expand your storage using the SD card slot, supporting up to 2 TB of additional storage. Keep an eye out for those cool storage upgrade options like the 2 TB deal from Best Buy, priced at around $100. Here's the real game changer, and it's something that sets the Legion Go apart from the competition. The removable controllers are a fantastic addition, similar to what we've seen on the Nintendo Switch. But they go the extra mile and can also function as a mouse, elevating your precision in those intense first-person shooters. This is a feature that's pure gold for gamers who crave that perfect aim. And here's a bonus. The system supports external GPUs through its USB Type-C connector. That's a clear advantage over the ROG Ally, which only supports proprietary ROG XG graphics. Talk about versatility. PC gaming is all about limitless options. Whether you crave the latest AAA titles, nostalgia-inducing classics, or a diverse library from services like Xbox Game Pass, you can have it all. And what's even better, you can take your games with you on the go. Valve's Steam Deck made waves by letting you carry your Steam library in your pocket. But guess what? If you're already loaded with games on Windows 11, the Lenovo Legion Go won't disappoint. It's a clear advantage for those who value gaming versatility and choice. So these were the top 5 reasons why you should be considering the Lenovo Legion Go for your next gaming adventure. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more exciting tech content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay gaming, stay tech savvy, and stay awesome. Thanks for tuning in.